let's discuss markets, let's discuss levels. Kunal Bothra and Nooresh Merani are here for just that. And Kunal, we were just discussing earlier this morning, yes, it's a range, a very tight range at that, but will 19,800 continue to remain a stumbling block for the markets?
Good morning, Awan. So I think it's 19,950 to be precise on the index, 950 to 20,000. That's the range where the index has taken multiple resistance. And I think on the support side, 19,500, 520 is actually a very strong support. It also coincides with the short-term key 20-day moving average for the Nifty, which the index has been protecting over the last 3 or 4 months of this very strong price uptrend or a bull market as such for the index. So I think on the way down, we would probably take a halt at the 19,500, 520 mark. And we are dabbling into this 500-point range for the last, I think, 1 week. We've done this previously as well, where the index has remained sideways for a couple of weeks before it gains momentum and then tries to break out on the upside. So we can probably expect this time around very similar kind of a trend. But I think the evidence would be if the index breaks below the 90,500 mark is where we expect a change of trend. As of now, we would expect that this consolidation would continue for the index.
Okay, so that was about Nifty. 19,500 is that line in the sand. But Nooresh, what do you make of the strength that we have been seeing time and again in the broader markets? That's been outperforming despite the weakness that we are seeing at the headline level. And on the other hand, the banking index has been sluggish.
So if we look at it, the bank index is interestingly poised because what has happened is most of the names, heavyweights, are not really making any trending moves. You have HDFC Bank stuck at the same place around that 1650, 1700 mark. Then you have ICICI Bank stuck at 990. The previous high for the stock was at 960 odd levels. So no follow-up momentum. SBI keeps coming to that 620 mark, but is not able to break out clearly. So that and then you have Kotak Mahindra Bank, which is not going anywhere, drifted lower and then again going sideways. So out here, the case is the trend is still up. A lot of stocks have, say, ICICI Bank has broken out and holding around that point. Axis Bank also is not breaking down. So overall, the index is stuck in a range. Same is the case with the Nifty. At least in the Nifty, we keep seeing some rotations in the smaller weights out there. So overall, the views, we are stuck in a band 19,500 to 20,000. At the same time, what we are seeing is the mid-cap indices, the small-cap indices continue to outperform. Yesterday also, we saw a fresh new all-time high on the small-cap index. So the momentum is still strong. But the point is, when we start diverging a bit from the Nifty, the small-cap starts outperforming on a big margin, one needs to get alert that there could be some bit of a pause even in the broader markets going forward. As of now, no indications of a change, but will remain alert.